Hey there, welcome to the Grandstreeters, and this week we're going to do some cooking. And notice I've got my new little microphone, my Sarmonic microphone here. So hopefully the sound will be good this time. But I'm not going to do the cooking. Connor's going to do it.
Wait, what?
You're going to do the cooking.
Okay.
You know what you're making?
No. I don't know what I'm making.
You're making churros.
Yes!
Here's our recipe, and what are we making? We're going to need 1 cup of water. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Yep, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're going to use the sea salt. Yep, and then we're going to need 1/2 cup of butter, which is equal to the 2 solid sticks. Okay. The other things we're going to need is we're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There's the vanilla extract. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, because these are New England churros. We're going to put maple syrup in them. That's what's going to make them different. And then we need 1 cup of flour. So we've got the measuring cup there and the flour's in the back.
Yep.
And then the other thing we're going to need is 1/3 cup of sugar, which we got the sugar colander right there, and the 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and we got the cinnamon sitting right there as well. Okay. The other thing we're going to need, we're going to need a mixer, and we're going to need an extruder. We're also going to need a saucepan, which is there, and a pan to fry them in, which is kind of a deep skillet. And you're going to need eggs, at least 3 of them.
The last thing we need is coconut oil.
Okay, Connor, are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready for this? Okay, what are we doing first?
Okay, first we're going to pour in the water.
Yep. Yep, 1 cup of water. What's next?
A teaspoon of
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
And we're using the dark brown sugar. There you go. Yep, that's fine.
All right.
That's 1 teaspoon. We want 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, 1/2 cup of butter. So one of these is all you need. Open that up and pop it in there.
Open it up, pop it in there. All right. I don't really want to.
It's okay, he washed his hands.
Yeah, I did.
Turn on the stove to about 6 there, and we're going to heat that up.
Okay, now we're going to stir the butter in.
Okay, we need to get 1 cup of flour.
Put these things.
They are heavy.
Okay, I'm going to switch hands just because my left hand is just unstable. We're going to have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
And we're going to put that in now, right?
Yep.
Good deal. Okay, there you go.
Okay, next we're going to have a tablespoon of maple syrup. 1 tablespoon. To be exact.
And that's unique to our recipe because they're New English churros.
And finally, 1 cup of flour.
Yep. Stir that in as you go. Stir that in. And you have to stir vigorously now.
Now I'm stirring vigorously.
We turned the heat down too, didn't we?
Exactly. Yeah, we did. Now, we're going to put this in the mixer. Whoop. There we go.
Now what we're going to do is you're going to add 3 eggs. That was something else we needed.
Do we need milk too?
No.
Okay.
Okay, now you're going to take 1 egg at a time, crack it in and put it in there.
My egg cracking is a little bad. Put it on stir.
We're gonna put it on low, just like that. There you go. We're gonna mix that egg in there.
Hey, there we go. We're going to put the pastry bag into the cup, and then we're going to fill the bag.
Why are we putting the bag in the cup?
So we do not do it in our hands.
Scrape a big chunk together, then hold the cup.
It's a little chunky, but...
Yeah, it's supposed to. Now, any movie theater owner that's worth his weight in popcorn knows that the best grease to fry things in is coconut. I'm going to help you out here a little bit because the bag's really full. We're going to get it going so you can see how we do this. We're going to extrude this out of the bag. We're going to squeeze it. You're going to hold it like that in the palm of your hand. You're going to turn that and you're going to squeeze it. Now the first thing I want you to do is grab that end of it, okay, very gently, and just hold it there. Okay, now we're going to drop it in. Now snip it off. I'm going to do the next one. Hold it. So you're going to let these cook. They're going to cook really fast. Okay, like that. Then take them out. You don't need to cook very long.
That's a long one. That's mine.
Here we go. We're doing it again.
Alright.
Doing another one. Hold it at that end. Close it down on there. Hold it gently. Okay, now snip it. Yeah. There you go.
This is the last one. So let's
Go.
go.
Go. Try that again.
Close this thing off. This thing is dangerous. Okay, now we are going to put these into the cinnamon and the sugar, mix it around and spin it, and then we're going to put them on this plate. So let's do this.
Rub it in there good. Just rub it in there. Yep, turn it over.
Yeah.
Okay, and put it on the plate. That's good. Okay, Grandma, tell us what you think.
All right,
Give him a shot.
take the one on top. Those are good. Nice and light. Fluffy like you wanted them to turn out to be.
Can you taste the maple in them a little bit?
Faint.
Yeah, that's the way it should be. Very faint.
Yep.
Okay, Connor, go ahead and
Good
try
job.
one.
Okay.
Your turn.
All right.
Very good.
I can definitely taste the cinnamon.
They're very nice and light. I'm just going to get a little nugget here.
They're the little ones I made.
Oh, that's great. Oh, wonderful. outstanding. That's how you make New English churros. So thanks for watching. We hope that you liked this video. You click the like button. Smash down one of those thumbs up down there. If you'd like to subscribe, we'd sure appreciate that too. Until next week, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the streets.
Bye.
Connor made those.
Oh. Ugh.